Samsung Galaxy S23 series will be officially unveiled on Wednesday, February 1. According to earlier leaks, it seems that Samsung will be introducing the next generation of its flagship devices with a lot of accessories. Lastly, leakster SnoopyTech has shared the product images, which reportedly show the official Samsung leather case for the Galaxy S23 series. The leather case for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is similar to the leather case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, available for around $37 on Amazon, with the exception of a new color. While the case for last year's flagship was only available in black, light gray, and burgundy, dark red, the new case will also be available in a stylish light brown. This color will reportedly be available for the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus as well. According to a leak, the leather cases for all three devices will be offered in the new camel color, as well as green and black. The image of the case for the Galaxy S23 Plus may already show a dark green color. The cases for the smaller models of the Galaxy S23 series do not have the bump for the camera module in order to match the new look of the smartphones, which have the three cameras individually housed within the body, rather than in a camera module that drops off at the edge. Meanwhile, as we know that Samsung has reportedly secured an exclusive version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for the Galaxy S23 series, which runs its prime core at 3.36 instead of the usual 3.19 GHz. However, we have also heard that the Samsung MX division has formed a team to develop an in-house chipset. We may learn more about that on February 1 during the Galaxy Unpacked event for the S23 series unveiling. According to Ice Universe, T-Demro himself will reveal details about the new chip. For those not aware, Samsung Electronics, which makes the Galaxy phones, is a separate company from Samsung System LSI, which designs the Exynos chipsets. This new chip is allegedly being designed by a new team at Samsung Electronics and will be fabbed using a second or third generation of Samsung's 3nm gate all-around tech. Given that we've seen the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 several times already, it looks that it will be the only chipset for the Galaxy S23 generation. The new Galaxy chip just won't be ready in time, especially if it really uses a next-gen 3M node. However, no specific details about the CPU's features have been made public. Over 1,000 other specialists are claimed to have joined Samsung MX's engineering team, including a seasoned Apple semiconductor expert. Exynos processors might eventually be phased out of Galaxy smartphones and tablets if the company's first chip is a success. So, what are your thoughts on these leather cases? Which color you like the most? Let us know it down in the comments section. And if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to drop a like and subscribe the channel. See you for the next time. Peace out.